Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Day Trader David. So this is a short video today about my today's trade, and I wanted to share a short learning to you all. So that is the reason why I am making this video. So before that, if you are someone new who is watching this video, then definitely you can hit the subscribe button so you can go through my contents. Even today I had posted a Nifty Bank Nifty analysis video for short-term analysis where Nifty and Bank Nifty is heading towards. Is it positive? Is it negative? What should be the strategy? What should be done? What should we do? So I had shared in this video. So you can definitely
To
click
my
over
channel
here and you can
daytrader
watch it.
David.
Okay. So without wasting time, let's begin. So this is live market. So I'm just recording in live market because I'm done with my trade. Nifty, you can see 1.14% down, which is 160 points, and Bank Nifty, if you check, more than 500 points negative. And today, if you see, I had given a trade in Bank Nifty option trade to my free members in our free group. So before that, if you haven't joined this group, then you can definitely join it. It is for totally free. I will provide the link in the description. It will be very useful to you all. Here I provide my learnings, my charts, not all the charts, but I do provide charts and learnings whenever it is possible. If you check today's trade, then I had given 30,800 put option to buy at 225 with stop loss of 150 and a target of 300 and 350 as target. And you can see it has made a high of 290, not 290. You can check, let me just show you. It has made a high of 297 and still it is trading above 285. So moreover, it can definitely hit 300, which is the first target. So but the concept that I wanted to share here with you all is this small concept, okay, of booking your profits or booking or doing a partial profit booking. Okay, why is it important? Let me just show that. So here I had shared, say, when we enter 225 and when we got 250, okay, I said to book their half of the profit at 250 and to change the stop loss to 200. So moreover, from 250, okay, buying price was 225, and even if the stop loss of 200 hits over here, then the trade will be no loss trade. Why? The reason is we had booked our partial profit at 250, right? So this is one of the simplest strategy that we imply in our trading. So why? Let me just show you my trades today also. Today you can see my MTM about 19,000 MTM, and you can see only two trades for me today. I had taken only two trades. So here if you see the 30,800 put option, it there I had booked profit of 19,000, and 30,600 put option, here I had booked a loss of 13 rupees. Okay, so now see, when we book profits, how much did we book? 19,000. And when we book loss, here I had booked a loss of 13 rupees. So you should learn to hold on to your long positions, or if a trade is going on your direction, so at that time you should know to book the maximum profits. And when, if the trade is not going in your direction, then you should do some strategy that you should come out with a minimum loss or at least with no loss also. Okay, so at this point, so this is the trade that I wanted to show you, that when the trade was in my direction, I booked 19,000 profit, and when the trade went against me, okay, this trade was also in a positive, but when I feel, okay, when I was not feeling 100% confident about this trade, I exited this trade at the cost. Okay, it was around 20 to 25 points above my buying level only. After that, when it came back, okay, at that time I exited this at my cost. Okay, so here, so this is a small learning about partial booking, or at least exiting your trade at your cost. The reason is, the exiting your trade at your cost is better than booking loss, right? I hope everyone will agree with this. So this is what I follow personally. I usually book good profit, or usually I come out with small loss, or else I try to come out to book my trades at my cost. Let me just show you my premium channel also. So about today's trade. So if at all, first of all, if at all you are interested in joining me in my premium channel and wants to trade with me, then you can definitely join, opening trading account under me, and you can take a trade. Okay, yesterday we took a BTST trade in 30,800 PE at 150. Now you can see it has made a high of around 300, but morning I exited at around 200 mostly. Okay, so let me just show you. Here I shared my exit, and today's trade, let's talk about today's trade. Our first trade was 30,900 put option. We bought at 200 with stop loss of 150. Okay, remember we bought at 200 and it made a high of 225. I asked them to do partial booking at 225 to reduce our loss, and when it came down we exited that trade with a no loss trade, right? So that is how we trade. First trade was a no loss trade, and then second trade I again asked them to re-enter. When 225 came again, I asked them to re-enter at 225, because at that time it was looking good with a stop loss of only 25 points. Remember earlier it was stop loss of 50 points, now it is only 25 points. And then when 25 points, when the trade triggered, from there I was waiting for 300, and you can see it made a high of 220, 275, and finally it made a high of 298. Okay, so I even updated, I exited this trade as 290. So from 225 it made a high of 298, and I exited at 290. So whenever we get a good trade, we try to capture the most of the momentum. Okay, so here I posted we are done for the day, and then also you can see I even mentioned the level that I am expecting Bank Nifty to reach 30,600 or at least 30,650 levels. Okay, so if you check Bank Nifty, let me just show you. Bank Nifty made a low of 30,636. That means it has touched 30,650 levels. It even went below that 15 points. Okay, so and then I posted Bank Nifty 30,800 put options, the same trade that I had posted over here. So even this trade we bought at 225, and it has made a high of 298. Now as of now, let me just check, it made a high of 298. So here also almost 75 points. So overall it is approx, if you see, more than 150 points for the day in intraday, more than 150 points in intraday, with small stop losses, and we also with proper guidance. Okay, so here if at all, if you like this and if you want to trade with me some safe trades and all, then you can definitely, you can plan to join my service. It is totally free. To join my premium service, it is totally free. You can join over here by opening a trading account in Astha. Why Astha? Because simple, Astha is providing some good margins for option selling with hedge and all, so we can definitely trade with Astha, right? So that's all for this video. A simple learning was, one, we should, whenever we take a trade, try to capture most of the momentum. Second, if the trade is not going in your direction, then try to exit that trade at your cost, or try to exit with a small stop loss to the maximum. Or the next step that you can do is partial bookings, which is very important in stock market. Whenever you book partial booking, then your risk is reduced, and you can carry that trades for a longer period of time, right? So that was the learning. All, and also you, if you can see here, I am doing some accumulations, because whenever I book some profits, then a part, this is my habit, a part of my bookings, a part of my profits, I usually take some positions, or take some stocks in my portfolio, for my portfolio. Okay, so here today you can see ITC, Tata Steel, Trident, HDFC Life, Tata Consumer, Tata Motors, all are good stocks according to me. And also you can check this idea and Trident and Yes Bank. So now people can think, what kind of stock am I accumulating, right? So these stocks are basically risky stocks. So usually I believe mostly 5% to 10% of of our portfolio should contain some risky bets also in our portfolio. So that is my strategy, and that is according to how I build my portfolio. So accordingly I add some risky bets also. So a small quantities, okay, 75 quantity only in idea. And if you check Yes Bank, 50 quantity, doesn't even matter if it becomes zero also. So other stocks are quality stocks like ITC, Tata Steel, HDFC Life, Tata Consumer, all these stocks, and Tata Motors, all these stocks are quality stocks. So likewise, this is not a stock recommendation. So what I wanted to convey was the learning part about this stock, about partial booking, about exiting our trades at a right momentum, okay, right moment, right? So I hope you learned is this small concept today about partial booking. So if at all this video was useful, then definitely hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends, and with if you have some friends who are a trader, then you can share this video with them also, it will be useful for them. So that's it for this video. I will meet you with some another learning contents. Until then, take care and thank you for watching.